Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we are on a newly listed brokerage boat. This is a 2020 Harris 230 Solstice. It's powered with a Mercury 250 Verado on the back. You can see I have a manual tower with Bimini top above my head. Forward Bimini. Water sports mirror in front of the helm that's up. It does fold down. There's a wakeboard rack down here on my feet. A large Simrad in front of me. Analog gauges, raised helm, upgraded sound system, in-floor storage, upgraded floor, interior lighting, exterior lighting, underwater lighting. This is a fully loaded 2020 one-owner freshwater boat from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. The hour gauge is saying 45 at current time. Give me a call or come on down to MarineMax and let's talk about this boat. It is a beautiful boat and ready for the summer.